Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keandra, and by the title, you guys can obviously tell this is going to be a Valentine's Day look, and it's the look that I'm wearing right now. Yes, so I did a little simple, easy eye look with a nude little lip, and I really think that these two pair together very nicely. And yeah, so if you guys want to recreate this look or watch how I did this look, keep on watching. Alrighty, so I just have my eyebrows and my face done. So now let's move into the eyes because we all know that's what we're here for, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my concealer and priming my eyelids. This is the Maybelline concealer that I have. Now I'm gonna just blend all this in. And you know what's funny? I used to never prime my eyelids. So I thought it was like just weird, and like most of the time you don't even really need to. But I decided for today I might as well. Because you know, want it to be popping. You want the makeup look to be popping. So you're gonna conceal and prime everything. Make sure everything's all put together, right, and everything. So now I'm gonna just set the eyes. I'm getting my Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder. I'm just gonna set it. Okay, so now let's move on to the look. So I'm going to be using the Celestial Thunder by Dominique's Cosmetics. And I'm using this because this is the only palette that I have that has pink in it. So I'm using it, and sorry, it looks a mess right now because, you know, it's been well loved. So what I'm going to go in first with is this orange color right here, and this is called Lunar Eclipse. Use that. And so I'm just gonna put this color all over the crease and the upper part of my lids because this is just like a good transition color for this look. And there we go. And so next I'm gonna go in with the pink color right here, and this is called Lucid Dreams. So yeah, you can see it's been used a lot. So yeah, I'm going with this color. Very pigmented. This off the excess and go in. And basically just blend to perfection. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the smaller brush and then go in with Zero Gravity, which is this grayish color right here. And go in like and deepen up the crease. And this one I'm gonna go in like super hard. Because you really want that color to pop. And put it in a crease in the outer of my eye. Get it and like pack it on. And blend it out. Okay, so once that's all in there, I'm gonna go back in with the pink a little bit and blend it all together. Alrighty, and so now I'm gonna get my sealer. We're gonna do like a little half crease, cut crease type thing. So I'm gonna just get a little flat brush, a flat brush, and just use that and try to cut it. And yeah, as you can see, I like to do the lid thing. Don't know exactly what it's called, but that's how I determine how far to put the concealer, by doing the little lid trick. Okay, so I finished cutting the eye, and it doesn't have to be perfect because Lord knows that this is not perfect, but I do not have like a steady hand, so like I tried my best to get everything, you know, at least the same or like semi the same and look kind of decent. So next I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm trying to show you guys a good color. Yeah, like this color right here, and it is called Fireball. It looks kind of pinkish right in here, which it is pinkish, but you know, when you look at it off camera, it looks like a golden brownish color, which is so weird, but I like it. So yeah, let's see. Looks like this. Gives like a little pinkish tone to it. It's very pretty. So that's what I'm gonna use on my lid. So I'm just use that same brush because it doesn't really matter what kind of brush, but I'm gonna use the little same brush I used to put on the concealer and then just go over it. And yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Can pack on as little or as much as you want. And whatever looks good to you. So yeah, see, that's fine. Move on to the next eye. Okay, so that's the eye look. It's obviously not done because I have to finish my face, but this is what it's looking like right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish up the face a little bit and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I just finished my face, and now what I'm gonna do is go in and do my waterline. And with this, I'm just gonna go in with the pink color. Okay, and then just do the waterline. You know, I'm not really good at doing waterline makeup because, like, I'd be scared I'm gonna stick myself in the eye. But I try. I never really do this, like, especially if I'm doing makeup just to do it. I never do this. But it does tie everything together, though. You have your under eye done. And then what I do, I connect it, the top and the bottom. Make sure they're connected so looks together, you know? Then next I'm gonna go in with Zero Gravity, the gray color. Then do the same thing. But smoke this one out a bit farther. So let me get another brush and do that. Oh, get it? Ew. Smoke it. And they say that when you do this, it also helps with creasing because it helps hide the creases a little bit under your eye. Because I do have a lot of like creasing and bags. So yeah. See, it did tie it all together. Now, what am I gonna do next? But first, let me put on my mole real quick. And yes, I just use a black eyeliner because my mole is black. So I like to put a little eyeliner on it. So that's why I do that. And then I have one over here too. That one's just a little one. So it's a little dot. You know, eyeliner. And I'm actually really bad at eyeliner. So please don't judge. Don't judge. I try my best. Like, I hate putting on eyeliner, mascara, eyelashes. And FYI, I never put on eyelashes. The only time I put on eyelashes is when I was in dance because we had to, but I never put them on myself because I don't know how to do all that stuff. But I promise I will learn for you guys, okay? But now let me do my eyeliner. Okay, I'll be right back. Did the eyeliner. Now it's time for mascara. And I'm gonna use this little Betty Bop. It's from Ipsy. So I'm gonna use this. And I actually think that this is really good. It's actually really lengthening. And like I can see myself using this a lot for when I wear, you know, mascara. Because I never really wear mascara like that because of the whole glasses issue. So yeah. So yeah. They look really good. They look really nice. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my bottom ones and I'll be right back. Hi you guys. So this is the final look. Like, yes, it's actually very nice, simple, easy little look. So I did add a little nude lip to this look to tie everything together. I didn't want to do anything too bold and bright, so I think these two pair really nice together. And so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment if you like this look and if you think it's pretty easy and simple. And hopefully you guys can recreate this look for Valentine's Day, date night, or any time you want to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hopefully see you guys on my next one. Hope you have a good day or night, and yeah, bye.